My first faculty job was as a professor of linguistics and psychology and literature. And it was during that first job that I began working with computers to test models of human behavior. And little by little, I sometimes like to say I got inscienced. I got entranced by the idea of what I could do with computers, and then became increasingly interested in the programming and the technical side of working with computers. When colleagues talked to me about the position here, it seemed to me ideal because rather than being split across departments, I would be in one department embedded in a school that has such a wonderful history of interdisciplinarity. I like to concentrate on places where our cognition or thinking encounters issues of language and issues of the social world. One of the projects that I'm working on is helping children who come to school speaking a language or a dialect that's different than the mainstream language or dialect of the school context, helping those children to maintain their home language and their home culture, and to help them maintain respect for that home language and home culture. And at the same time, to learn to code switch back and forth between that home language or dialect and the language or dialect of school. We're doing that by calling on the relationship that a virtual child can build with these children, and how that virtual child can model for them the context in which shifts between dialects could take place. Another project that I'm working on where I'm thinking about language and the social world and thinking is a project with children with autism, and in particular children with Asperger's or high-functioning autism, who are often very, very smart and very interested, for whatever reason, in computers and technology, but who may have less of an ability to interact with other people. And I'm asking if there's a way that computers can help link those children to the social world, because there are so many benefits to friendship, to connection, through modeling for them the use of language to make relationships and to maintain relationships. I see my role in part as advertising the importance of maintaining our connection to one another in the digital age, and the value that, almost paradoxically, computers can have in helping us to maintain a connection to other people and to our nature as social beings.